How's it going, everybody? This is Rick from BoatPotential.com, and today I got some great information in this video. Today I'm going to share with you what the brokers and dealers probably don't want to be exposed about. Well, that information I'm going to release to you today. Over the years, I've been a dealer, a broker. I've sold many boats, and I always have one question that the consumer always asks: where do you get the boat? Well, I thought about this. I can't buy every single boat in the world and sell it to the consumer. But I can release information and get it to possibly a lot more consumers than I could ever sell boats to. And that's what this video is for. So what I'm doing for you today is I'm going to show you where to get a boat lower than the price of a dealer when the dealer or the broker is selling it to you, the consumer. If you're in search for a 28-foot regulator, 2014, with twin Yamaha 300s, this video is for you. And if you're lucky enough to catch this video before the auction actually finishes, well, you might have saved a lot of money on a vessel. I hope you enjoy the video. Please share it with your friends. Like, share, comment, and post. This is the website here. We got a 2015 Regulator open fish 28-foot with twin Yamaha 300s. I'll go through some of the pictures and everything with you. I don't have a screen recorder here, so I have to use my camera. As you can see right now, the bid's at $121,000, and it ends in 16 hours. Now this is a 2015 Regulator. I know in the intro video, I made this video, I said it was 2014. It's actually 2015. And it's at $121,025, and there's 16 hours left. And again, the link to this boat is in the description below. And if you can, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button also. I'll give you the breakdown of the description. It's in San Diego, California. There's a gentleman you can contact. Both engines, they have a lower bracket, dry, wet with engines. It's 9,480 pounds. Fuel capacity is 219, Deadrise 24 degrees. It's got a forward seat fish box, a dry storage, 169 quarts on each. In-deck fish box, locking rod storage, 456 quarts. Console cooler, seat, 74 quarts. Head and holding tank, so it's got an onboard head. Freshwater tank, 33 gallons. Transom Livewell, 25 gallon. Transom fish box, 125. It tells you the draft of the engines up and down as well. And each motor has 100 hours on each. 108 on the port, and the starboard has also 108. And that's about it. You guys want the link? It's in the description below. Go to it, check it out. Again, it's a really nice boat. Go through some of the pictures with you. But this is leaving here in 16 hours. I'm sorry I didn't make the video earlier, but I will start being like a bird dog guy here on YouTube, BoatPotential.com's YouTube page, and I'll blast out some boats like this that anyone can benefit from. So it's got a hard top, center console, Ray Marine, electronics, fully loaded boat, real nice. It was seized by the U.S. Marshal Service. It's probably used as a drug smuggling boat, something like that. It's got the outriggers on top, and they say they have cushions and all that stuff inside of the lockup, but you can see here it looks like there's a Ray Marine chart plotter and a GPS system there, and you got rod holders on the top and the bottom there. So it's a really nice regulator, and it's only at $121,000 right now. And I've actually seen this boat in the past month over at Sundance Marine sell for $222,000. So if you get a great deal on this boat, you actually end up buying it. Don't forget to send me a bird dog over here, because giving out some great information here. But if you could, at least you could just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you can get more update boats like this. And I'll be looking for them, and I'll continue putting out vessels like this on YouTube so everybody can benefit. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.